Hey everyone, we wanted to hop on here and show you these Play-Doh accessories that we just got in. So you've got a whole bag of different cutters and scissors, a rolling pin, different shapes, so you can create so much with your Play-Doh. And then it even comes with a work mat, so your table will not get ruined.
I don't know how to open this. I know. I'm gonna do a Easter egg with a ruler. Play-Doh, get out. Woo!
Just cut some.
I'm making an Easter egg.
Okay. What do you...
Okay.
All right, we are having so much fun with all of these tools and all of these little cutters. They were super simple to work with. The Play-Doh was able to be removed all along the outside, so that way you had a nice clean cut on each of the shapes. Also like that it came with little scissors and cutting tools, so you can really shape your Play-Doh however you want to. You can make it flat. So whatever you're creating, you've got all of the tools in here to do that.